Hello everybody and welcome back. I just want to start this video by saying a big thank you to every single one of you who's subscribed, commented and pressed the like button, because it's down to every single one of you that's helping our channel grow. Just please keep it up. Anyway, tonight what we're going to do, we've got some small chicken thighs here. We're going to do them in the air fryer. Now I've had them marinating in paprika and yogurt and some spices, a little bit coriander leaf and a little bit Italian spices and stuff. They've been marinating overnight. I've took them out. They're going to go in the air fry. We're going to make a little salad up, and that's going to go on the side. On top of the salad we're going to dress it with the old pomegranate sauce, and then we're going to do a few egg noodles just with some baby corn and a little bit soy sauce to serve the chicken on. So let's crack on with it. Right, so what I've done, I've preheated the drawer off the air fry. I'm just going to spray it now with some, a little bit of, if I can get it to spray. So it's a little bit spray light, the 1 cal olive oil stuff, and then we're just going to get the chicken straight in, and we're going to stick it skin side down for now. They're not huge, these thighs, so we'll get them in there, and then we're going to get these straight on and get them cooking. I'll just give my hands a quick wash and then we'll get them in. Right, so that's them all in there. So we'll get them in the air fryer and we're going to stick them on 180, gnarly see, because the sun's shining that good. It's lovely today. 180 for 25 minutes and then we'll have a check on them, make sure they're okay. Let's get the salad chopped up. Right, so all we've got here, we've got some lettuce leaf, nice crisp lettuce leaf, and we've got a little bit of baby spinach. We're just wrapping it together and then we're just going to chop that and shred it up a little bit. So that's it. This is just going to be a little side salad on the side of the plate. So that's the lettuce done. We've got 1 spring onion, same again, get the spring onion chopped. Nice and large. So at least you're going to get a bit taste of it. And after that, I'm going to get out tomatoes. We're just going to half and quarter the tomatoes and crack on with these. Oh, I should have said we've got a little bit red sweet pepper as well, what was left off a dish the other day. That's going to add in a little bit to the salad, but we'll keep it a little bit back to go in with the noodles as well. So we'll get that chopped. As you can see, I started putting the salad out on the plate. So all we're going to add on top of the salad is just a light, very light sprinkling of, I've only got dried, very light sprinkling of dried basil. That'll just help bring the tomato taste out, and then just a light sprinkle of parsley, dried parsley as well. And then on top of that we're going to get the pomegranate and serve the pomegranate dressing. Right, so pomegranate dressing just over the top of the salad. There you go. It's a strange one, this. It's got like a fruity flavour, but it's, I don't know, it's like a tangy but sweet, like a sweet fruity flavour, but tangy as well, but it's worth a go. Nice on your salads. Right, so that's the salads just about prepared there. So we'll crack on with the other cooking. I was forgetting something, I'm hopeless me. Forgot about the cucumber. I always serve the cucumber on there as well. So next I've just chopped a little bit baby corn there, which is going to go in with the noodles and the soy sauce. So let's crack on with that. Next I've just chopped a little bit of chorizo. Same again, that's going in with the noodles. I love using this stuff, you don't need to use a lot of it, but the oils and the flavours that come out helps flavour the other stuff. Really nice and worth using. Right, we've got the tagine on there, just on a medium to lowish heat. We're just going to get the chorizo in the pan there, let that cook off just a touch there. I'm just going to pop the lid on for a few minutes, let that cook off a little bit. Alright, let's have a check on this now. So you can smell the oils and everything coming out the chorizo now. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go in with the baby corn, so that's it, and in with the sweet peppers as well. So the sweet peppers in there as well, give that a mix around. The peppers and the corn will just pick that oil up off the chorizo and it'll just help flavour everything. We're just going to grab some pepper and get a little bit of pepper in there as well. There you go, sprinkling the pepper there. There we go. and the aromas coming off that now is absolutely delicious. So we're just going to give it another couple of minutes with the lid on. Turn it down a touch. Oh, you've got to smell this to believe it. See the flavours and everything coming out of the aromas coming out of the chorizo, and it's just all mixing up with the sweet peppers and the baby corn there now. So now what we're going to do, we'll get some noodles, egg noodles here. We're going to get the egg noodles in now. Get them all in. Break them up a little bit. And then we're going to get some soy in there. Now you'll not need salt in here because there's plenty in the soy. So we're going to give a sprinkle of soy across the top there. Give that a mix round. And then we're going to get the lid on and let it do its thing. Come on, lovely this. Right, 5 minutes left on off the chicken. Yep, they're cooking on nicely. I think they'll need turning over just now and then cooking for a little bit longer, but they're coming on a treat then. Right, so I'll put the chicken out there. What I'm going to do now, turn them over, see what I like. Yep, so I need more cooking on that side as well. So I'll turn them over and then we're going to get them back in. And that should crisp the skin up as well nicely. So let's get them back in. Give them another 10 minutes or so. And we're all done, so let's get these served. Delicious. I'll just grab a towel because they're hot. There we have it all served. We've got a lovely salad there with the pomegranate dressing. Then we've got a bed of noodles, egg noodles, baby sweet corn, a little bit chorizo, sweet peppers, and crispy marinated air fried chicken thighs. And that is delicious. If you're liking the videos, please subscribe, press the like button. Thanks all, see you soon.